Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the CaltOS Enigma based on version 7.2 based on Android version 11. So guys, let's begin. So as you guys can see here, the Android version 11, the CaltOS version 7.2, which is the official version. The maintainer here is Sharmaji, and the Android version 11. The security patch level here is not the latest one, it's the previous month, 5th August 2021. The kernel we get here is the Nightblade kernel. So these were the specifications of the ROM. Now moving forward, this is the about phone section. This is looking like the MIUI one. Then going back, this is the settings, just the normal Android 11 ROM settings. There's nothing new other than the customization. Talking about the systems, everything here is just the same, no new changes or no new thing. We get to see the Poco part, so you can turn on the sound enhancer from here. Going back to the lock, to the security settings here, the fingerprint scanner here is working fine. As you can see, no worries with the fingerprint scanner, it's working fine. The face unlock, everything here in this ROM is working fine. This is the lock screen UI, this is how it looks, and you can change the clock styles and everything from the customizations, which I'll be showing you later. Moving forward to the sounds and vibration, these are the options. Sound and vibration, this is the volume panel, this is how it looks. The volume panel, this you get to see the option increasing ring volume. The vibration pattern option here is available, which you can set according to you. Then the direct sound enhancer, you can turn it on from here also. Okay, then moving back to the display options, these are the options. The font size, display size, full screen, apps and everything, lock screen. Double tap to wake here is also working fine. As you can see, double tap to wake, but sometimes it just don't work, so which is a bug present here, that double tap to wake sometimes just don't work. Then the ambient display here is also working fine. Whenever new notification here is there, the ambient display is just working great. Talking about the battery here, the battery backup on this ROM is average. You will get around 4 hours of screen on time. This is the battery usage from 66% to 32%, and I got 2 hours and 26 minutes of screen on time, which is great. And to charge from 15% to 75%, it took 37 minutes. So yes, the another example I'll show you for the battery drain from 99% to 32%, the screen on time I got was 4 hours and 16 minutes. So yes, the battery backup on this ROM is average, and the charging speed also is good, 1 hour and 9 minutes to charge from 66 to 99%. So yes, the battery backup and battery charging time on this ROM are just average. Talking about the customizations, this is called Enigma here. These are the status bar customizations, the quick settings options. Then on swiping right, you get to see the buttons, navigation bar, power menu and everything. These are all the customizations available. You can just navigate through it. Then going back to the power menu, these are the options: the emergency, on the go, the gestures option, the 3-finger swipe for the screenshot is available, and the long screenshot option here is also available. Then talking about the ambient display, these are the options available: ambient display, lock screen, the system, the animations, customization, notifications, and you get to see the called decoration here, the theming options available here, the system wide accent color based on wallpaper, which is option available. Then these are the clock styles available. These are all the clock styles available: the icon shape, status bar icon, switch styles, everything. These are all the customization, the theming options available here in the called decorations. Then in the miscellaneous, these are the options available. Okay, going to the home screen, this is the app drawer, just as usual, no customizations. Going to the home settings, these are the options, the home screen, dock and everything, and you get to see the double tap to sleep on the home screen option available. Then talking about the quick settings here, this is like the Oxygen OS 1. Here the Wi-Fi, mobile data, everything here is just working fine. The night light, battery saver, you get to see the FPS info, which is also working. As you can see, the FPS info here is working the refresh rate toggle, we get to see dark theme, screen recorder, everything here in this ROM is available. So there is no such thing you are missing out. Talking about the camera here, the default camera app we get to see here is the MIUI cam, the ANX cam, which is working fine, and you get to see all the features as you get in the stock ROM. So this is the stock cam available, and also the Gcam in this ROM is working fine, no issues with that too. Google camera also works fine. Talking about the dialer app, the dialer app here has been changed. This is the dialer app, and whenever I call someone, like this is the number, whenever I call, this is the dialing screen. As you can see, this is like the OnePlus, the Oxygen OS dialing screen. Okay, that is it. Then talking about the performance here, the Geekbench scores. So here are the Geekbench scores, 527 and 1630, which are just normal as usual, and the ROM here is performing just great in the day-to-day tasks, and everything just works fine. Gaming performance of this ROM here is also just great. You don't have to worry about that too. Gaming performance, it's just great. Talking about the safety net status here, let you know the safety net status has passed, and all the banking apps with the Google Pay, Paytm, everything here is working fine. Okay, here it is showing safety net failed, but all the apps, the Google Pay, PayPal, Paytm, everything here in this ROM is working fine. I don't know how. As you can see, the Google Pay in this ROM here is working fine, so there is no issue with that. I don't know why the safety net status has failed, but the banking apps and everything here are running. As you can see here, the device is certified, so there is just not an issue. Though the safety net status has failed, it may be a bug because I had just restored the backup from the previous ROM. It may be a bug, but the safety net status has just passed. Now talking about the bugs here, there are no as such major bugs present in this ROM, but there are some UI bugs present. I will just show you some screenshots of the UI bug. As you can see, this is how it gets. Sometimes the notification in the quick settings just gets like this. This is also a bug on the lock screen. This is how it just happens. There is a major bug I had faced, like if you don't reboot the phone every 2 to 3 days, then the phone just becomes hang, it just becomes laggy, it will just not be usable. This is a bug I had faced, the hang bug. If you don't reboot the phone after every 2 to 3 days, this is a bug. And the another bug here is whenever someone is calling, you will not be able to pick up the phone. You have to slide up to pick up the phone, but you will not be able to do that. So yes, which is also a bug present here, that sometimes you will not be able to pick up the phone. You have to do it from the quick settings, from the notifications. So yes, these were some bugs present in the ColtOS Enigma 7.2 version. So yes, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.